Welcome back to part 3. This is going to be all about the walls and building them from construction to hopefully putting them up, at least for 2 sides. The others will be later most likely, since I think 2 sides will take a bit of time. But why don't we get started? Little update for you here as to pause the time lapses. I kind of stopped taking video because the camera died. Need to let it charge. It won't charge for some reason. I think I have a bad cable. But we've moved on to the framing. We got the holes cut out in the Luan and the FRP. So we are now framing each side with our 1 by 1.5 or whatever it ends up being for when we cut the 2x4s in half. I will actually get those numbers at some point. My camera is really hating me right now. But I'm going to set the time lapse. Hopefully it won't die again. And we'll actually get some footage. Okay, so this is where the video is going to end for the day. This is part 3, and we got 1 wall glued and put together, and we're going to insulate it and do other stuff tomorrow once the glue dries. Glue-wise, in case anybody's curious, we're using the Great Stuff construction adhesive, the Pro Series 1, the brown like canister, but this wall went together really well. It'll be super sweet once it's done. Good morning. So, we left the wall to dry last night, and let's pull it out from underneath the glue we had to glue it and see what it looks like. Okay, so that wall's free, and I have started on the second wall. That one I had to trim a little bit to get the window to fit just right, but once I go get some butyl tape or some sort of seam blocker, adhesive, water guard, whatever, that window will get installed, and then we'll put insulation in and sandwich it all together. Hopefully get that wall up. This wall should get built, and yeah, let's finish building this wall. Okay, so I got that wall framed. I just kind of let the camera turn off because it was probably going to be boring watching me frame a wall. But wall's done, and I actually made jigs for both sides so that you could stand it up and take a look at what it looks like. So there. as you can see, we got the panel all buttoned up. It's now being glued. All that's left to do while we wait for that to dry is take some more 2x4s, rip them down the center, and create more of the right dimension wood for framing up the front end and the rear end. Still not quite sure how the door is going to work. Been trying to find a door online, but I haven't found one that I like yet. Might just have to build one, but all that's left for that is framing up the front, put in the windows, so I have to go get some butyl tape. Probably go do that now, and we should be good to get the walls done for the end of the week. So maybe done by tomorrow if we're lucky. So I'm gonna head off to the store and be back when this is dry. Good morning, everybody. Camera died last night. I believe the last thing we did in the last video I got was insulating the wall and putting the window in. As you can see, we got this whole side framed in for the window, looking nice. And then we got the inner skin on it, which is OBD. I believe it's 7/8 inch OBD. Or not 7/8, 7/16 OBD. Task for this morning, get this window in, flip it over, get the insulation in. And then frame it, hopefully get another sheet of the OBD on it, and we'll see how long that takes. That took, I don't know, a couple hours to do. So I'm going to cut the video off now because it's probably going to be about 10 minutes. And we'll be back when we start doing the walls, like the front and rear ends, because we have to frame up the walls, the side panels together, make them square and do all that. So that'll be the next video. But like, comment, share, subscribe. And thanks for watching. Be back with another one in a few days.